यह क्वेश्चन एक बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन है। इस क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से सॉल्व करते हैं जेईई एडवांस में, चलो देखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले इसको हम y पकड़ लेते हैं, यानी कि log x बेस 2 इक्वल्स टू y। अब यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे तो यह वाला इक्वेशन आपका बनता है y स्क्वायर प्लस 4y माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0। अब यहाँ से y का आंसर निकालेंगे हम, y इक्वल्स टू माइनस b प्लस और माइनस, सो माइनस b इज माइनस 4 प्लस और माइनस रूट ओवर b स्क्वायर 16 माइनस 4 into a into c, that is plus 4 by 2, which implies again y equals to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2, which implies y equals to, taking 2 common from here, we get minus 2 plus or minus root 5. Now from here we know y equals to what? अब यहाँ पर हमें y का आंसर 2 मिलती है जो अल्फा और बीटा है। सो अल्फा एंड बीटा द रूट्स, सो वी कैन राइट फ्रॉम हियर, यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं log अल्फा बेस 2 इक्वल्स टू, एक रूट ले लेंगे यहाँ से माइनस 2 प्लस रूट 5, और एक लेंगे log बीटा बाय बेस 2 इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 माइनस रूट 5। अगर इन दोनों को हम डिवाइड करते हैं, अगर इस तरह से अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये आपका बन जाता है, हमारा बन जाता है log अल्फा बेस बीटा इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 माइनस रूट 5, and from here 2 plus root 5, so this gets cancelled off, so we get log alpha, this in this format we get it. So now this can be changed as, this can be rationalized as 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus root 5, just rationalizing, so which implies that this we get here 4, 2 into 4 plus 5 minus 4 root 5 whole divided by 4 minus 1, that is we are getting minus 1. This on simplification we get here minus 9 plus 4 root 5. अभी क्या करते हैं कि हमको log अल्फा बेस बीटा में हमें इसका आंसर मिला है, तो अब हम लिखेंगे log बीटा बेस अल्फा, जस्ट मीन्स रिवर्सिंग, सो वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट log बीटा बेस अल्फा इक्वल्स टू 1 by 4 root 5 minus 9. Now rationalizing this we get multiplied with 4 root 5 plus 9 divided by 4 root 5 plus 9. Here we get 4 root 5 plus 9 whole divided by 4 4s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 80 minus 81, which is equals to 80 minus 1, that means what we get here minus 4 root 5 minus 9. Now we can see that the value of log alpha beta is this, and the value of log beta alpha is this. Now adding up this two, what we get is, on adding, that is log alpha base beta plus log beta base alpha is equals to minus 9 plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 minus 9, so which is equals to, this gets cancelled off, minus minus plus, which becomes minus 18, so our answer is minus 18. इस तरह से एडवांस की मैथ्स आपको करना है। This is one more important question, which is you have to find it out. Here alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the roots of the equation. इस equation का roots है, तो डिग्री 4 है तो 4 रूट्स हमें मिल चुका है। हमें निकालना है 1 minus alpha square, 1 minus beta square, 1 minus gamma square. So these are the products. You can see this is multiplied with this. So इक्वेशन को आसान करने के लिए हम एक तरीका निकालेंगे, जिस तरीके में हम क्या करेंगे कि ऐसे इक्वेशन निकालेंगे जिसका रूट ये हो जाए, ये दूसरा हो जाए, ये तीसरा हो जाए, ये चौथा हो जाए। अब जब रूट्स जब एक ऐसा होता है तो यानी कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट सब बन जाती है, तो उसका सीधा साधा आंसर हम निकाल सकते हैं कांस्टेंट टर्म, क्योंकि ये डिग्री 4 का है तो यहाँ पर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x टू द पावर ऑफ 4 निकालेंगे। तो सबसे पहले या कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ जो भी है डिग्री 4। So let what we can do it here is y equals to 1 minus x square. This implies what this implies? This implies that x square equals to 1 minus y. Again, this implies x equals to 1 minus y to the power of half. So putting the values of this in this equation, so what we get is x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 means we get from here, we get 1 minus y, half to the power of 4 is square. Next this becomes minus 5, 1 minus 3 by 2. This becomes minus 7, 1 minus y. This becomes minus 9 into 1 minus y to the power of half plus 11 equals to 0. Now what we do is simplify this. This will become y square plus 1 minus 2y. This becomes minus 5, 1 minus y to the power of 3 by 2. This becomes minus 7 plus 7y. This becomes minus 9, 1 minus y to the power of half plus 11 equals to 0. अब हम यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर 1 है, so we can write down here y square, there is no more y square, we are getting over here y square plus 1 minus 7 minus 9, that is minus 16 plus 11 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2y and plus 7y, that is plus 5y equals to 5, 1 minus y to the power of 3 by 2 plus 9, 1 minus y to the power of half. We can write down in this way. So if you simplify this, again let us see here, plus 11 minus 7 plus 1. This should be plus 5. So we are getting in this format. Now squaring both sides, what we get it here is let us write squaring both sides. So when we square this, so we are getting what we are getting here. We need that the constant term by coefficient of y to the power of 4. Now coefficient of y to the power of 4, from coefficient of y to the power of 4 is here we are getting 1, and the constant term, see here what is the constant term? We are getting here y square plus 5. This becomes 25. If this becomes 25, let us do here rough, then which is equals to, for constant term we are calculating constant term. So here we are getting squaring, means here also getting left hand side 25, then we are getting plus 81, and then this into this we are getting 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 9 is 90. So plus 90 we are getting. So this gets cancelled off. So we are getting the constant term as minus 171. So what will be our final answer? So our final answer will be here, the product of these two will be equals to, the constant term becomes minus 171 and the coefficient of y to the power 4 is 1. So our final answer is this. ये जेई एडवांस का एक बेहतरीन प्रश्न है. If alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of this equation, then we have to find out, हमें निकालना है alpha cube, beta cube, gamma cube और delta cube. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि हम ऐसे इक्वेशन तैयार करेंगे जिसका रूट अल्फा क्यूब हो, बीटा क्यूब हो, गामा क्यूब हो और डेल्टा क्यूब हो. ओके, तो उन रूट्स, जब उस इक्वेशन को जब निकाल सकते हैं तब हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि ये सम ऑफ द रूट्स बन जाता है. तो हम सम ऑफ द रूट्स इक्वल्स टू डिग्री 4 है, तो हम लिखेंगे माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ डिग्री 3 बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ डिग्री 4. So we can use this one then. So सबसे पहले हम इक्वेशन निकालेंगे. तो पहले हम लिखते हैं let x equals to y cube, यानी कि y equals to x to the power of 1 by 3. Putting the values of this in the original equation, we get what we get is here. We get x to the power of 4 by 3 minus 5 x to the power of 1 by 3. Bring this minus 3 towards the right hand side, it becomes 0. Now what we can do is, we have to remove the power 1 by 3. So we will do cubing both sides. What we are going to do it here? Cubing both sides. So once we cube both sides, let us write here. Sorry, here it will be plus 3. So cubing both sides, we are going to do it. So when we do cubing both sides, so this is a cube, it becomes x to the power of 4. Then b cube, this becomes minus 125 x. Then we get here minus 3x square, that is x to the power of 8 by 3 into 3ab, 3 into this so we are getting here minus 3 into a into b into a minus b equals to 27. Now let us simplify this. X to the power of 4 minus 125x, 3 into 5 is 15 minus 15, x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means 3. Then 3 into 5 is 15, 15 5 is 75 plus 75, x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 6 by 3, that is x square minus 27 equals to 0. Now sum of the roots. So sum of the roots means here coefficient of the degree 3. The degree 3, the coefficient of degree 3 is minus. So it becomes minus of minus 15 by coefficient of degree 4. Here it is 1. So it is 1. So our final answer is 15. So we can write down here it equals to 15.